wish to be heard on bond when appropriate. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Hughes, how old are you?
64.
How far did you go through school?
Graduated.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Are you able to read, write, and understand the English language?
Yes.
Prior to coming to court, have you taken any drugs or alcohol or any prescription medication in the last 48 hours?
No.
Have you ever been diagnosed with or treated for any mental illness?
I'm on a caseload.
What?
I'm on a caseload, Your Honor.
You're on a what?
I'm on mental health caseload.
Where?
Frontline.
Where's Frontline?
17 Pain.
All right. Are you being treated there?
Yes.
When's the last time you had treatment there?
2-3 years.
All right. You understand what's going on here today?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Before I accept your guilty plea, I need to determine that you know and understand the constitutional rights you'll be waiving, the consequences of your guilty plea, and the maximum penalty I could give you. And I need to be satisfied that your guilty plea is being made freely, knowingly, and voluntarily. I'm going to ask you questions. If you don't understand the question, then stop me. If you want to talk to Mr. Mulkey some more, let me know and I'll give you more time. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You have a constitutional right to have a trial, either to me or to a jury of 12 Lake County citizens. Do you understand that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you go to a jury trial, all 12 members must agree to a guilty verdict before you can be found guilty. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you go to trial, the prosecutor will call witnesses to testify against you. Do you understand the prosecutor must prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt at a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
After the witnesses are done testifying for the prosecutor, you have the constitutional right to have your lawyer cross-examine the witnesses. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you go to trial, you have the right to have witnesses come here and testify for you. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If those witnesses refuse to come to court, I'll issue an order called a subpoena to make them testify. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
You have the right to testify at trial if you want to. Do you understand that right?
Yes, Your
Are
Honor.
you waiving that right?
Yes.
You have the constitutional right to not testify at trial if you do not want to. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you decide not to testify at trial, nobody is permitted to comment on that decision. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you go to trial and you're found guilty, you have the right to appeal the guilty finding. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes, Your
If you
Honor.
file an appeal, you have the constitutional right to have a lawyer represent you in the appeal. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you could not afford to hire a lawyer, one would be provided at no cost to you. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you file an appeal, you're entitled to have a transcript of all the hearings in this case. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you could not afford a copy of those transcripts, they'd be given to you at no cost. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you plead guilty today, you will not have the right to appeal the guilty finding. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about any of your rights?
No, Your Honor.
Do you still want to plead guilty to this charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand by pleading guilty, you're fully admitting your guilt to the charge?
Yes.
You understand by pleading guilty to this felony that you're voluntarily giving up your freedom for whatever period of time I could sentence you to prison, to jail, or to community control.
Yes, Your Honor.
In count one, breaking and entering is a felony 5, carries a maximum prison sentence of 12 months and a maximum fine of $2,500. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you presently on post-release control to the parole authority?
No, Your Honor.
You understand your felony conviction will prevent you from owning or possessing a firearm?
Yes.
You understand if a prison term is imposed in this case, you might have to serve a period of post-release control for up to 2 years under the parole authority.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you are placed on post-release control and you violate any conditions, the parole authority could return you to prison for up to 9 months, up to 1/2 of the stated prison term. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If your violation is a new felony, then you could get an additional consecutive prison sentence for that violation. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If that were to happen, the maximum prison sentence for the violation would be the greater of 12 months or the time left under post-release control. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do Do you understand if a prison term is imposed, you are eligible for judicial release?
Yes, Your Honor.
I could place you on community control for up to 5 years, but if you violate any conditions, I could send you to prison for 12 months. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you I would be lenient on you just because you're pleading guilty today?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you what I will sentence you to in this case?
No.
Do you understand I don't have to follow the sentencing recommendation of either the prosecutor or your lawyer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you had enough time to talk to Mr. Mulkey before pleading guilty today?
Yes.
Has he discussed everything about your case and answered all of your questions?
Yes.
Are you satisfied with the advice he has given you?
Yes.
Have you been threatened or coerced in any way to plead guilty today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you freely, knowingly, and voluntarily entering your guilty plea?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, Ms. Zagretsky, if this case went to trial, what would the evidence show?
The evidence would show that on August 25th of 2024, the defendant, James Hughes, broke into an unoccupied structure, Lafleur Spa and Nails, located in Willoughby Lake County, Ohio. He did so by force, by breaking in with a pry bar. He did so with the purpose to commit a theft offense, and once he was inside the store, he committed that theft offense, stealing the cash register.
All right, Mr. Mulkey, anything to add to those facts?
Nothing, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Hughes, did you hear what Ms. Zagretsky said, that the facts would show if the case went to a trial?
Yes.
Are those facts true?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what is your plea to count 1, breaking and entering a felony 5?
Guilty.
Mr. Mulkey?
There. Signature. Yes, sir. That's fine. That's pretty good.
Handing the court back the written plea of guilty, I witnessed the defendant and his attorney sign, and I also signed his
Mr. Hughes, is this your signature on the written plea of guilty?
Yes, I can. Yes.
Did you sign it voluntarily?
Yes.
Do you want me to accept your written plea of guilty?
Yes.
Accept the written plea of guilty. The defendant was present. Mr. Mulkey advised of all of his rights and the knowing, intelligent, voluntary waiver. He understands the nature of the charge, the consequence of his guilty plea, and the maximum penalty. Find it to be knowing, intelligent, voluntary. Will accept his plea of guilty and find him guilty of count 1, breaking and entering a felony 5. I'm going to refer this for a pre-sentence report and a victim impact statement. Sentencing will be December 9 at 8:30 a.m. And Mr. Mulkey, you wanted to be heard on bond.
Please, Your Honor, thank you. Quite simply, Your Honor, my client will be staying at 16,000 Terrace Road, apartment 1809, where he's resided now for a little while, at least before the events of this case took place. So that's been his residence. He's not working right now, Your Honor, but he would follow any and all bond conditions, including future court appearances, showing up for his pre-sentence report. He did come here today and want to resolve the matter. He has been incarcerated since August 12th of this year on this matter. Given our sentencing date of December 9th, there would be additional time that he'd be serving from now until then on this F5, Your Honor. So we would just ask the court, invite the court to consider a recognizance bond, knowing that if he fails to appear for court, he'd be facing an additional felony charge, and he intends to comply with any and all bond conditions, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Gretzky?
State objects to any modification of bond. The bond is appropriate at this time. The defendant has a long criminal history that spans back decades, and many of his convictions involve this same exact conduct, breaking and entering. He has broken into restaurants and in clothing stores, and in this case, a nail salon. And so for protection of the community, the property within the community, I believe this bond is appropriate. Thank you.
All right, I've moved the sentencing date up by 4 weeks. So I'm going to revoke the bond, and we'll go to sentencing on December 9th.
Thank you, Judge. I'll be out to see you before sentencing,
All right,
okay?
yes.
All right, Mr. Hughes, thank you.